The 2026 pre-release resource booklet is out now for AQA GCSE Geography. So really interesting topic this year. They're going to focus on water supply and demand, which fits in with your resource management section that you've been studying. And then they focus on a reservoir in Lincolnshire and all the positives and negatives that go along with that. So I'm going to be going up to Lincolnshire over the next few days and producing a lot more in-depth YouTube content and social content. So make sure you follow along. And when I've completed that, I'm just going to post the link above. So you'll be able to click on it and go straight to the in-depth video, as well as my exam resources, which include mock exam papers. Figure 1 shows the balance between water supply and demand in the UK. While we rely on rainfall for our water, the amount we have doesn't always match the amount we need, especially as our habits change. Experts warn that climate change will make this problem much worse, likely leading to serious water shortages within the next 20 years. This situation is made even more difficult by water pollution, which ruins the quality of the water we do have. Together, these factors mean the UK face a major challenge in the future. Figure 2 then explores the current consumption of water in the UK, as well as investigating a lot of the different strategies we can use to manage our water. To combat rising demand, there is a growing focus on building more water-efficient homes and developing sustainable supply methods such as grey water recycling. A key part of this plan includes a major proposal for a new reservoir in Lincolnshire. This project is designed to store surplus water and secure the region's supply for future generations. Figure 3 then focuses on the proposal for a reservoir in Lincolnshire and weighs up the positives and negatives of the project. On the positive side, the project would significantly increase the regional water supply, supporting roughly 500,000 homes. It also offers the chance to create new leisure spaces for walking, cycling and water sports, while bringing both direct and indirect investment into the local economy. However, there are also significant negatives to consider. The project would require a massive construction effort, leading to years of noise and increased traffic for nearby villages. Additionally, the plan involves flooding about 5 square kilometres of land, which would result in a permanent loss of valuable farmland, as well as some local homes and businesses. This will then lead to the question of whether you support or are against the proposal for the reservoir in Lincolnshire. So as I said, I'm going to be exploring this issue over the next few days and posting a more in-depth video on YouTube. So make sure you follow or subscribe for more information and exam resources coming soon.